Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make Zack films videos with AI. We will delve into leveraging artificial intelligence to produce captivating, short-form content efficiently. This approach enables creators to quickly generate scripts, voiceovers, and visuals, mirroring that distinctive, rapid-fire style. You can dramatically increase your content output, maintaining high engagement across platforms. Imagine producing multiple videos in just a few hours, all powered by smart technology. To begin, leverage AI language models to generate your video scripts. Provide clear, detailed prompts asking for factual, short sentences, similar to popular educational content. For instance, you might ask for 3 interesting facts about the ocean's deepest points in under 100 words. Remember to thoroughly verify all information the AI provides. Accuracy is paramount for credible content. This foundational step significantly reduces your writing time. Next, transform your verified script into an engaging voiceover using AI tools. Platforms like 11 Labs or Descript offer realistic, natural-sounding voices, allowing you to fine-tune intonation and speed. Select a voice that is energetic and clear, ensuring every word is easily understood by your audience. Experiment with different speaking styles to find the perfect match for your brand, aiming for a consistent, confident delivery. This step brings your script to life. For visuals, integrate AI-generated images or short video clips from tools like Midjourney or Dolly, creating unique eye-catching content. Supplement these with high-quality stock footage to illustrate key points effectively and immediately. The editing phase should be quick and precise, featuring very rapid cuts, often less than 3 seconds per shot, to keep viewers engaged. Use dynamic transitions and on-screen text sparingly to emphasize crucial facts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.